Are you tired of spending hours manually creating regulatory reports for your insurance business? What if I told you that you could automate the entire process from data collection to report delivery in just a few clicks? Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete automation solution that's going to save insurance companies countless hours every single month. Let's talk about the pain point first. Insurance companies are required to submit regulatory reports on a regular basis, sometimes daily, weekly, or monthly. These reports require accuracy, regulatory compliance, including GDPR, and timely delivery. The traditional process involves collecting data from multiple sources, manually formatting it, running compliance checks, and then emailing it to the right stakeholders. This process is not only time consuming, but also prone to manual inaccuracies. So here's what we built: a fully automated workflow that starts with a webhook trigger, processes insurance data, performs field edits and transformations, converts the data into a CSV format, uploads it to Azure Blob storage, and finally sends an email notification with the report attached. All of this happens automatically without any manual intervention. Let's start from the beginning. The workflow begins with a webhook node in n8n. This webhook acts as the entry point for our data. Whenever a new policy is created or updated in our insurance system, it sends a post request to this webhook with all the relevant policy information: customer name, policy ID, statement date, email, phone number, address, city, and postal code. Next, we have the Edit Fields node. This is where the magic of data transformation happens. This node allows us to clean, format, and manipulate the incoming data to match our regulatory reporting requirements. We are standardizing date formats, validating email addresses, and ensuring all required fields are present. After editing the fields, we convert the data into CSV format using the regulatorreport.csv node. This is crucial because most regulatory bodies require reports in standardized formats like CSV. The conversion ensures our data is structured properly with headers and consistent formatting. Now here's where Azure comes in. We use the Azure Storage node to create a blob in our Azure Storage account. As you can see in the screenshot, we have a reports container with two regulatory report files stored with timestamps. This gives us a secure, flexible, and compliant storage solution that meets GDPR requirements. Finally, we have the Send Email node that automatically sends the generated report to the relevant compliance officers or regulatory authorities. The email includes the CSV file as an attachment and can be customized with the report details. Why is this workflow so powerful? First, it's completely automated. No human intervention needed. Second, it's highly adaptable. Whether you're processing 10 policies or 10,000, the workflow handles it seamlessly. Third, it's compliant. Azure provides built-in GDPR compliance tools and audit trails, which is critical for insurance companies. And fourth, it's cost-effective. n8n is an open source tool, and Azure Blob storage is incredibly affordable for storing these reports. Let me put this into perspective. Before automation, a compliance officer might spend several hours daily preparing these reports. With this workflow, that time is reduced to zero. The reports are generated automatically, stored securely, and delivered on time. That's 60 to 90 hours saved every month, which translates to significant cost savings and allows your team to focus on more strategic work. The best part? This workflow is completely customizable. You can add additional data validation rules, integrate with other systems like CRM or policy management platforms, automate reports to run at specific times, or even add AI-powered analytics to identify compliance issues before they become problems. The possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more automation tutorials. I'll be sharing more n8n workflows. Thanks for watching.